Namaste to all Jaivind students. I am Jaivind Rajendra Chaudhary, Department of Science and Technology. Today we will discuss on the topic of Java. The session's name is this keyword in Java. Basically, this keyword refer to the current class in method and constructor, and we can say that this keyword is a reference variable that used to refer the current class object, and the most common use of this keyword is used to eliminate the confusion between the attributes and parameter with the same name. You also said that if you omit the keyword in this example, like here we introduce about this keyword, there are some definitions of this keyword. There can be a lot of usage of this keyword in Java. This is a reference variable that refer to the current class object. Suppose you have a class and that class so many objects, then this keyword refer to only superclass, current class, and there are many different uses of this keyword in your Java program. Firstly, we refer to see that this simple scenario, like this is a reference variable and this indicates the object, for which object, current class object, and that object have some properties, like there are three type of property of a object in Java. First is state represent the field and value of a object. Second is behavior represent the functionality of your object, and third is identity. Basically, identity is a hidden property of your object that mentions by the JVM, and each object have a unique ID, and that unique ID assigned by a JVM. Basically, there are different uses of Java this keyword. Mentions here 6 uses of Java this keyword. Firstly, this can be used to refer the current class instance variable. Suppose you have a class, student class, and that class have two instance variable, like student have two field. First is student name, second is student age. This is a uses of by this keyword. And second uses of this keyword is this keyword can be used to refer the current class method. Means this keyword also refer by class method. And third uses of this keyword can be used to invoke the current class constructor. Means all of the usage of this keyword for a current class, and a class contain have some component like field, maybe method, constructor, block, nested classes, constructor, and this can be used to invoke current class constructor. This can be passed as an argument in the method call. This can be used as an argument in the constructor call. This can be used to return the classes instance from the method. And next slide we briefly introduce with a Java program. Okay, first of all, this to refer the current class instance variable. This keyword can be used to refer the current class instance variable. If there is ambiguity between the instance variable and parameter, then this keyword will solve this problem. And how we solve this problem using this simple code. Basically, you have a class name is a student, and that student class have three type of field, like first is roll number, second is name, and third is fees. There are three type of field of this student class, and a student class have a constructor that name is student, and this constructor have three type of parameter. First is roll number, second is name, and third is fees. Okay, here we see this three type of field contain three parameter value: roll number, name, and fees. This example is without this keyword. Okay, and here we take a method. That method name is display, that used to display the value of your field roll number, name, and fees. There are one more classes that hold the main method of your Java program, like this public static void main that hold the main method of your Java program, and this class create an instance of your student class. First is s1, and s1 is an instance of student class that call the some values 111 Ankit and this one. At second instance hold also some values like this one, and s1 and s2 you call the display method, and the output of this 0 null because the roll number and roll number is the same, that the compiler here is confused. That resolve this problem by using this keyword. The next slide that indicate the how to resolve this keyword. Okay, solutions of the above problem by this keyword. Firstly, student class, some like student class have 3 field, roll number, name and fees, and that student class have a one constructor that name student, and these constructor have 3 type of field, roll number, name and fees, and also mentions a display. But here this dot roll number and roll number, there are 2 different field. This is a different, this is a different, because this refer to the your current class object field, and this refer to the, and this is used to resolve the ambiguity between parameter list and your instance variable, and the output of this code is this one. Okay, second use of this keyword for refer to current class method. You may involve the method of the current class by using this keyword. If you do not use this keyword, compiler automatically add this keyword while invoking the method. Let's see, take an example of usage of this keyword to invoke current class method. Firstly, we take a class name is a, and that class has a one method that name is m, and m method have some statement like system.out.println that displays some messages hello m, and one more method mentions in this class, and that's name is n, and n method is also have some statement like system.out.println that this method also have some messages hello m. Okay, this dot m, here we use this before the method. M is a method of a class, and this method have a this statement refer to the current class method. This means refer to the current class method. And here we take another classes test this for, and that class have a main method, and here we create an instance of a class. A is a class name and small a is an instance of a student class, and call the n method using instance of student class a dot n. Here we see that this is a calling of n method. This one. Okay, that's it. Output of this program is a hello n. Firstly print the hello n, then after print the hello n. And next usage of this keyword is used to invoke the current class constructor. Basically this constructor call can be used to invoke the current class constructor. It used to reuse the constructor. In other words, it is used to constructor chaining. We can say that this keyword is used to make a chaining system of different type of constructor, like default constructor, maybe parameterized constructor, and so on. Okay, let's take an example of this usage of this keyword. Firstly, we take a class name is student name is class name is a, and a class have a constructor name is a, and a constructor have some statement hello a, and this is a default constructor. We can say that this is a default constructor, and one more constructor we take, and this constructor is called parameterized constructor because this constructor have one parameterized list x, and here we call the current class constructor by this statement. This is a represent to current class constructor. Okay, and here we call also current class constructor, this one, and the output of this statement hello. Okay, thank you so much.